Good morning, everyone. I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now, today I am going to discuss quadrilateral formed by S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. S means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So, this is homogeneous equation passing through origin. The homogeneous equation is representing two lines. So this is one line, this is another line. Okay. Now, second equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is non-homogeneous equation. It is also represent a pair of parallel lines passing through point of intersection, not origin. So that one is, we can draw like this. This is, and one more line. The pair of line is representing two lines now. This is point of intersection. Okay. These two lines representing the pair of line S dash is equal to 0. These two lines, pair of line is representing two lines. Now finally we got, this is O, this is A, B, C. OABC, one quadrilateral. Then that is which type of quadrilateral? Here shortcut formula is a, please note down, rhombus. Rhombus. We know that in rhombus, uh, angle between adjacent sides not 90 degrees. That means angle between the pair of line a plus b, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0 means angle between the pair of lines 90 degrees or not. A plus b is equal to 0 means theta is 90. But in rhombus, angle between adjacent sides not 90 degrees. Theta is not equal to 90. That's why what they are given here, a plus b not equal to 0 and a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square value 0. These two conditions satisfied means we will say that the quadrilateral is rhombus. Now I am going to discuss a square. Rhombus completed. Square. Square we know very well. Angle between adjacent side is 90 degrees. That's why here they are given a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. And a minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is equal to 0. These two conditions satisfied means we will say that the quadrilateral is square. Next, rectangle. In rectangle also we know that angle between adjacent sides 90 degrees. That means a plus b is equal to 0. A minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square not equal to 0. These two conditions satisfied means we will say that the quadrilateral is rectangle. Next, parallelogram. We know that in parallelogram, angle between adjacent sides not 90 degrees. That's why a plus b is not equal to 0. A minus b into fg plus h into f square minus g square is not equal to 0. These two conditions satisfied means we will say that the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Here observe that a plus b not equal to 0. So in these two cases, we will say that either rhombus or parallelogram. A plus b is equal to 0. In this case, we will say that either square or rectangle. So if these two are equal to 0 means one is rhombus, one is square. Not equal to 0 means rectangle or parallelogram. Okay, remember it, these are the shortcut formulae. Now, area of parallelogram. Parallelogram means here angle between adjacent sides not 90 degrees. Area of parallelogram is mod C by 2 into under root h square minus AB. There is a formula. Okay. Next, I am going to another point. Equation of diagonal not passing through origin. So here already we know the diagram. Once see, this is passing through origin. This diagonal is passing through origin. Other diagonal is not passing through origin. This diagonal, how to find out means use that s dash minus s is equal to 0. That means pair of lines, we know that two pair of lines, subtract, you will get one of the diagonal of quadrilateral which is not passing through origin. Okay, so s dash minus s is equal to 0. Remember it, this condition. Next, equation of diagonal passing through origin. Equation of diagonal passing through origin means use this formula. hf minus bg into y, that is equal to gh minus af into x. gh minus af into x. So these diagonal is passing through origin. Okay, not passing through origin, passing through origin. There are two types of formulas here. Okay, students. Next point, students. The second point, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are two sides of a parallelogram. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is one of the diagonals of the parallelogram. Then equation of other diagonal passing through origin. This is the formula. BL minus HM into Y, that is equal to AM minus HL into X. Okay. Next, here third point, observe here. Given x1 comma y1 as opposite vertex of a parallelogram with s is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 as one of pair of sides, then equation of the diagonal not passing through origin is, so this is 2s1 minus s11 is equal to 0. So s1, s11, these we will discuss in second year. Okay, that's why don't write third point. Fourth point, the pair of lines xy plus ax plus by plus ab is equal to 0. xy plus cx plus dy plus cd is equal to 0. These pair of lines form a square when if modulus a minus c is equal to modulus b minus d. This condition is satisfied means the pair of lines form a square. Okay. Next, area of square. How to find means modulus a minus c into modulus b minus d. And in square, how to find point of intersection of diagonals is, this is the formula, minus b plus d by 2 comma minus a plus c by 2, midpoint of the diagonals, point of intersection of the diagonals. Okay, This A, B, C, D. D also observe that equation of diagonals are A minus C into X plus B minus D into Y plus AB minus CD is equal to 0. In square, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That's why first one is plus, second one is minus. A minus C into X minus B minus D into Y plus AD minus BC is equal to 0. Okay. These are the four important points A, B, C, D. In this concept, I am going to discuss the problems. Okay. First, see here the figure formed by the four lines, two pair of lines given. Identify that A, B, H, those values. A value is how much, students? 3. 2H, 10. B, 3. And 2G, 2G means minus 28. 2F, minus 28. C, 49. Here, A and B both are equal, but A plus B is not equal to 0. A plus B not equal to 0 means the quadrilateral formed either parallelogram or rhombus. So these two options wrong because A plus B is not equal to 0. Okay, and H value 5. You see that G value is minus 14. F value also minus 14. Here G and F values are equal. AB equal, GF equal. So here one condition is satisfied, that is A plus B is not equal to 0 by observing that two options we are eliminated. 1 and 2. Out of these two, which is correct? So we have another formula now. What is that? A minus B into FG plus H into F square minus G square. This value we want to verify. If A is equal to B means A minus B, it is going to 0 or not? 3 minus 3, it is going to 0. FG minus 14 plus H means 5, F square minus 14 whole square minus G square minus 14 whole square. So this value is 0. 0 into something 0. 5 into 0. Overall, it is 0 only. So A minus B into FG plus H into F square minus G square value we got 0. By observing these two conditions, we will say that what? It's form a rhombus. It's form a rhombus. This is the answer. So out of first and second, we are eliminated first. Finally, we got answer second option. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are one diagonal is x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then other diagonal means it is passing through origin. Students, how to find other diagonal? Just now I given concept. Once see that. Here second point, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 are two sides of a parallelogram, and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is one of diagonal of the parallelogram. Then equation of another diagonal, BL minus HM into Y, BL minus HM into Y, that is equal to AM minus HL into X. AM minus HL into X. This is shortcut formula. Now identify that LMN value, Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. There is one line. So X plus Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare with what? Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Now what is L value? 1. M value? 1. N value? 2. And observe the pair of line. A value is 2. 2H value minus 5. B value 3. H value minus 5 by 2. Those values substitute in this formula. Right. BL, B is 3, L is 1. 3 into 1, 3 minus HM minus 5 by 2 into 1 minus 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 5 by 2 into Y, that is equal to AM, A value is 2, M value is 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus HL minus 5 by 2. Here already minus is there, we get plus 2x. Take the LCM 2 in both sides. The LCM is going to cancel. Remaining part, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 11y is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5, 9x. 11y is equal to 9x. So that is 9x minus 11y is equal to 0. This is the answer. Which option correct? First option. Now, area of square. Area of square. Square or parallelogram? Anyone? Both are quadrilateral only. What is the formula? Mod C by 2 into under root h square minus AB. This is shortcut formula here. By observing the pair of line, identify that A value is 6, 2H value minus 5, H value minus 5 by 2, B value minus 6. Those values substitute in this formula. Mod and C value is C value minus 1. Mod minus 1 divided by 2 into h square, that is 25 by 4 minus AB. A value is 6, B value minus 6, minus 36. Here already minus is there, we get plus 36. 1 by 2 into, here take the LCM. Denominator we get 4. 25 plus 144 divided by 4. Root 4 means 2. 2 to cancel. And 25 plus 144, 169. Root 169, that is 13. So area of square 1 by 13 square units.